Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your account. Sign into the Google account that holds your purchases. Once signed in, open Safari or Chrome and go to Play. Google.com. This gives you direct access to your Google Play library. Make sure you're on the same account you use on other devices. If not, switch accounts now. This step is fast and critical because your purchases and library sync through that exact Google account, so don't skip verification. Once done with sign-in, install the dedicated iOS apps, Google Play Books for ebooks and Google TV or Google Play Movies for videos. These apps let you view and download purchases on your iPhone. Open the web library to locate the exact item, then tap the in-app sign-in and sync. Downloads appear in the apps library. Make sure to allow storage permission so files can be saved for offline use, and use Wi-Fi for large downloads to save mobile data. To finish, open the Google Books or Google TV app and play or read your downloaded items. Adjust playback quality in settings if needed. If something doesn't appear, sign out and sign back in. This forces a library refresh. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the app and confirm you're on the same Google account. One key troubleshooting tip: if purchases still aren't visible, check the web play. Google.com library on desktop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.